Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today for 12th Commerce IT students, I'll be teaching the topic Reports Creation in LibreOffice Base. Report is the last object from the LibreOffice Base database application. The presentation of information in an organized and readable format as per the user's requirement is known as a report. Various complex reports can be generated that can help in taking decisions by the management. Report is a representation of data in a printed form. It gives you the ability to present information from your database in an easy to read printable format. For example, you can create a simple report of students' attendance for a particular month or a report of an examination of a class, etc. LibreOffice Base makes it easy to create and customize a report using data from any query or table in your database. Reports can be prepared using tables and queries. But like forms, a report cannot include sub-reports. In LibreOffice Base, you can create a report using two methods. How we had in forms. Create form in design view and using wizard. Here you are having create a report in design view and create a report using the wizard. Design view will be creation of a report from the scratch using some of the controls and the data source. And wizard will be a step-by-step process to create the report through the guidance provided by the steps. So first, let's see how to create a report using the wizard step by step. First, you have to open the database window, the file. From the left pane, click on the reports. And from the right side, click on use wizard to create a report. Then you have to select the table from where the contents should come for your report, from which table or from which query. So here you have to select the name of your table and all the fields from the table will appear here. Click on one, click on this button. Click on the second, click on this. So all the fields from here will be shifted, which are to be shown in the report. And after the fields shifting, click on the next button. Here you have the step according to which fields do you want to sort the data. Here you can just click on next. This is only for sorting the data. So already it is marked. Just click on the next button. Then choose the layout for the table and the orientation. Layouts are tabular, columnar, single column, columnar, two columns, columnar, three columns, in blocks, labels above and left. And orientation is landscape or portrait. Choose according to your requirements, both the things, the layout and the orientation, and then click on the next button. Last step will be to give a title to your report or save the report with a name. So here you are clicking on the title, adding a name, and click on this option, static or dynamic. Dynamic report generates data from the current table data. This means that if we update data in the table that feeds the report will be changing accordingly. So after finishing this, click on the finish button, and last, when the wizard is over, your report will be created and opened this way. It will be opening as a writer in the non-editable form. It will be displayed in the read-only mode. You cannot click and change anything. So here you have to click on the close button to close the report window. To manage a report, first, here the reports are shown which you have generated. To manage a report, here you have to first select the reports object from database window, then right click, and there are certain options in the right click to open, edit, delete or rename. Here you have to right click and choose accordingly. If you don't want the report, click on the report, delete it. If you want to change the name of the report, right click on the report and change the name of it. So this was the report creation using the wizard method. Next, let's see how to create a report in the design view. Open the saved file. As before, follow the same steps how you are creating till the blank screen you get. So open the saved database, click on the reports object from the left pane. From the right pane, click on create report in design view option. Earlier we have chosen wizard option. Now you have to choose create report in design view. The report builder window opens. It is divided into three parts: the page header, detail and the page footer. See here on the left side you will see all the options, and on the right side you see the properties window with certain properties of currently selected object. The left part shows you the three sections. In the page header, you can drag control fields with fixed text. In detail, you can drag and drop database table fields. And in the footer section, you can again drag control fields. So here you can put the title for the report. Here you are taking data from the table. You are giving the formulas also if you want for calculations. And in the footer section, you can give the date and time, page number of the report, etc. If the report is going multiple pages. So from right side, setting window. Here you have to click on the data tab. And for content, select table name or any saved query name. A small window will appear. Click on the field name and click on insert button. So that field will be inserted. Then you have to close the window. We can give some title for the report in the page header section by using the label control and change its label property to read title. There are controls here. What the controls were in the form. This toolbar was at the left side here. I showed you in the previous section how to add a label and how to add a text box. Same way there are controls here. Put the label here, drag, draw and then type a title for the report in the page header section. In the footer, you can add formulae to add page numbers, date and time, etc. And then to see the output, click on the execute report button on the standard toolbar. Output will be displayed in LibreOffice Writer window in the read only mode. You will just be able to zoom in and zoom out when you click on that. It will not be editable. If you want to edit the report, then you can click on this edit document button that appears in the blue ribbon at the top of the report. When you click, it will allow you to edit any of the contents here, the text boxes, the label, the calculations, the fields, anything. Now, after you make the changes, save the report again and then close it. It will be saved again as a writer file only. Report can be saved for further use, or it can be printed to make a hard copy. If you want to show calculations, easy way is do all the calculations in the query instead of doing here. And then you have to refer the query and add the fields in the report. That is the best method, easiest. Or else you will have to use it, do it using these built-in functions which are there. That will be difficult for you to understand. You should know all the formulas beforehand. So better all the calculations are done whichever are possible in the tables. Date and time, page numbers, those are to be given here in the report footer itself. So these were the two methods for creating reports in the design view. The design view and the wizard method. Both methods give the output in a formal prescribed format, but orientation can be specified as portrait, landscape on the data quantity which you are having. So try the two methods, explain with the steps till you get the final output. But create tables, then queries if you have any calculations, then forms or reports. So first you have to create table or a query before going for forms or reports. Follow this sequence for better understanding, as this is a practical topic. So you should understand the theory part first, how it is proceeding. So keep learning, students. Thank you.